Ready to whip up a delicious pizza with me? First, guess what we're using instead of dough? Let's start by peeling a potato. Now, slice the potato into thin, even rounds. Make sure the slices are thin so they cook faster. Soak slices in ice water to prevent browning. We'll use 4 mushrooms, medium in size. Slice the mushrooms thinly as well. Pour some oil into a hot pan. It's time to fry the potato slices we prepped earlier. Flip them over so both sides get golden and crispy. Fry each side for 3 minutes for best results. Lay out the fried potatoes as the base of our pizza. Sprinkle 1 cup of mozzarella cheese on top. Spread the cheese evenly to cover everything. Now, let's add the pepperoni slices. Let's use 10 slices of pepperoni for perfect flavor. Now, layer the pre-sliced mushrooms evenly on top. Cover with another 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Love this recipe? Hit like and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon sesame seeds on top for flair. Bake for 12 minutes until the mozzarella cheese is golden.